Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Women empowerment in the Niger Delta has suffered severe setbacks over the years as their traditional occupation of fishing and farming has been greatly hampered by the exploration and exploitation activities of major oil companies that have left the environment despoiled. On the occasion of this year's International Women's Day celebration, anchored on the theme, Investing in Women, Accelerate Progress, female stakeholders in the region are calling on relevant authorities to put in place policies and practice that will accelerate the development of women in the region.
Women in the Niger Delta are largely responsible for sustaining their families and actively contributing to sustained development in the region. The activities of international oil companies in the Niger Delta have led to environmental challenges like oil spillage, land degradation, water pollution, and gas flaring, with their negative impact on the livelihood of Niger Delta women who largely engage in fishing and farming for survival. The situation gets worse for women of the region because if compensation is paid for polluted lands, women who traditionally do not own lands cannot benefit. The 2024 International Women's Day celebration, which is anchored on inspiring inclusion, hampers on the need for the world to include women in decision-making to foster a profound sense of belonging and relevance in the society. Coordinator Center for Media, Environment and Development Communications in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Chief Constance Meju, highlighted some of the peculiar challenges faced by Niger Delta women.
Oil has destroyed our life. Flood has become an annual visitor. We can also not talk about economic empowerment for women if we do not address the fact that herdsmen are another serious problem for women.
In the same vein, Port Harcourt-based legal practitioner Rosemary Dokubo advocated for the education of Niger Delta women and collaboration with financial institutions as well as cooperatives in granting Niger Delta women access to finances. Chief Meju and Barrister Dokubo also insisted on the need for women across the Niger Delta region to continue championing discussions around women's empowerment to build their capacity for leadership roles and equal representation.
And they expect the governor to continue to carry the light for women by seeing that going forward, all policies reflect consideration for women. And in the local communities, women should push to be heard, push to have position, and traditional rulers also should also help their communities to respect the rights of women.
First and foremost, let it start from the home. Husbands, empower your wives. If you are sharing land, share to the women also. Don't just say it's only the men. Share to the women, let them also empower themselves through them.
Inside the Niger Delta,